It's time to find the equation of the tangent line to this function. When you see the word tangent line, you should think derivative. Derivatives give us the slope of the tangent line. So let's go ahead, find the derivative. The derivative here, we just use the power rule. 3x squared multiplied by the power. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract 1 from the power. 2 minus 1 is 1. X to the first I'll just write as x. The derivative of 4x is simply 4 multiplied by 1. X to the 0 would go away. And the derivative of minus 1 is 0. The derivative of any constant function is 0. So there's our derivative. All we need to do is plug in the value, -2. That'll give us the slope of the tangent line at x equals -2. So let's go ahead and let's just substitute -2. 6 times -2 plus 4. -12 plus 4, I think that's -8. This is our slope of the tangent line. I'll use m for slope. Now we have a slope, and to write a line, we need a slope and a point. We don't have a point, but we have an x value. That x value is -2. If you have an x, how do you get a y? You plug it into the function. So let's go ahead and just substitute -2 into the original function. -2 squared plus 4 times -2 minus 1. -2 squared would be 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times -2 is -8 minus 1. 12 minus 9, I think the point will be -2, 3. Now we have a slope, we have a point. We can go ahead and just write the equation of this line. You're welcome to just use the formula for the equation of the tangent line. I'll use point slope form here. Y minus y1, which is 3, equals m, x minus x1. Minus 2 would be +2. Go ahead and just add 3 to both sides. -8, x plus 2 plus 3. There's the equation of the line. If you like, you could distribute this -8, make this -8x minus 16 plus 3. That would be -13 if you want your line in y equals mx plus b.